For those who are new here, let me tell you more about what we do. We have a daily webinar where Jin will be walking you through his thoughts and ideas for a very specific currency for each day. Monday, we'll do Aussie and New Zealand. Tuesday, the euro. Wednesday is the pound. Thursday, yen and gold. And Friday, the Canadian dollar. So today is Wednesday. So Jin will be talking about the pound pairs. As he'll be taking us through different time frame, this webinar is going to be very beneficial to both long-term investors and short-term traders. During this session, Jin will be going through what could move prices, possible trade ideas, highlighting potential targets and risk. However, a disclaimer, any information shared during this session is not intended to be a trade recommendation. It is solely the opinion and views of the speaker. So please remember to do your own analysis prior to entering any trades. My name is Daniel. I've known Jin for many years now, first as a student at LCMs Traders, and now as a business partner in Forex Briefcase. Jin runs LCMs Traders, where training is conducted to get traders to be consistent and profitable. And of course, Forex Briefcase, which are managed account services, where Jin trades an AUM of more than 11 million USD on a daily basis. Jin has been invited to speak on many stages globally. And in fact, one of the reasons you might be here is because you have attended one of his events. And recently, he has also been invited to Money FM, a Singapore financial radio talk show, to give his views on what is happening on the Forex market. Now, I'm going to run a second poll. Please do participate. And how do you get to know us from this webinar here? If you have friends and family who trade Forex, do encourage them to join. It's going to be very beneficial. Now, while you're doing this poll, I would like to take this opportunity to share with you, excuse me. Yeah, here you go, to share with you more about LCMS Traders Club. LCMS Traders Club is a private group on Facebook where we teach, guide, signal, coach you to be a better and more experienced profitable trader. This is really the place to be, regardless of whether you're new, experienced, part-time, or full-time trading. Now, for those who have joined us from Telegram channel, which I've seen a lot of you have been enjoying our trade signals absolutely free. A question you might have is that when you were told you to enter, get in a trade, you don't know where to exit. So in the Traders Club, we not only give the signals earlier than the Telegram channel, we also tell you the strategy behind the signals, actually guide you on where to exit with specific reasons. So look at this here in LCMS Traders Club, for example, just yesterday or 2 days ago, Euro, we issue a buy Euro USD 1.2662, stop loss, take profit 1, 2, 3. We give you the analysis of why we look to a buy trade. And also when a signal comes in, we suggest to where at which point, whether TP1, TP2, TP3, whether to secure your profits. Of course, secure profits is a suggestion to exit the trade. Secure your profits. Now, also here, just yesterday, sell US yen on 102.9. You have all the, again, analysis. Again, at the TP1, we suggest to secure your profits based on the market. We look at the chart. If we think that it's a good time to secure profits, just do so based on our experience. So that in the long run, you not only earn from the signals, you also learn how to trade much, much better. Now, not only that, you can see here, we have a wide range of analysis here, lots of everyone here giving you trade ideas, lots of coaches analysis here giving trade ideas. We also encourage members to put in the trade ideas here and the analysis on why we do so. For example, like me yesterday, I gave the US yen sell at 103 and give you the idea why, and give you analysis here. And why we took a trade is up to you. You can go benefit this as well and learn even much, much better. Now, you can also learn new strategies if you require some coaching. We also have members live Zoom sessions on Monday and Wednesday evening to run through trade ideas, teach you new strategies, update your recent market and economic developments. So you can see our previous news here. We have weekly live calls here where we will actually have a lot of economic roundups. What's happened? Jin will talk to you about what kind of analysis coming the coming week on Monday. What's going to happen, what could happen, what could you look out for, some trade ideas, what possibly move. We also talk about some of the trade, we'll be talking about trade ideas and why we analyze the trade, why we decided that at this point we should go close to the open and continue on holding, and many, many more. Now, not only that, you can see, excuse me. Okay, so really here on Wednesdays, in fact, this today, you should join the LCMS Traders Club. You're a member here, remember to join. We are having live sessions, live trading sessions on Wednesdays evening at 8 p.m. So remember to join. It's going to be very beneficial to everyone here. Okay, so right now, so look at this, is this place here is really the place to be, the opportunity to pick Jin's brain on pretty much any trading related questions that you might have. Okay, and you might ask, okay, so beneficial, how do you join this trade? Or in the chat group, the link will be there. Just go to look for tradersclub.lcms.com.sg, scroll all the way down, and that's where just click this button. One button, US, and yes, it is a paid subscription of $199 a year. Really, it's less than $1 a day, but with so much benefit, I'm sure the benefits outweigh even $1 a day here. Now, let me repeat again, if you are facing any uncertainty in your trading or taking any risk in your trade, you definitely need to join and get some guidance towards profit and get some coaching to improve on your confidence and strategy immediately here. So just click join and you will not regret this. And those who are not in the LCMS Traders Club, you should join here, get onto our promo, the VVIP promo, join it and join us at the live training sessions every Wednesday, 8 p.m. Okay, so now with this, let me now pass it back to Jin for more analysis on the pound. Jin?
All right, here we go. So Wednesday we are heading from still relatively a new year. So for those of you who've joined us first time or first couple of times here, happy new year again. Markets have started coming back to life a little bit more right now. Um, Today looking at the pound dollar. Although it's far away, I know we had a new setup. We had a new setup. Well, we have a new setup. We try to make do with it. I will have to try and speak louder for now. This is very soft. So, how about now? Soft. Oh, we want to get high tech. Okay, so we are going to get super loud right now. Just to let you know, move your headphones away from your head for a moment. How about now? Yes. Okay. We'll make do with the echo for now, just so that you all can hear it nice and loud. We'll figure it out as we by today. Okay, we'll figure it out. Very loud, loud and clear. Andrew, I will have to move further away, not speak as loud then. Finally loud and good. I'm glad you're all happy. It doesn't matter what content I tell you about now, so long as I sound loud and clear. So with that, let's end the session. You all can hear me say that's it for today. All right. This week, let me just do this. Go in. Okay. So today is Wednesday. Wednesday we have. Wednesday we have a bunch of news. From the. I lost my train of thought. What are you all doing to me? Okay. Today is pound, talking about pound US dollar. Looking at the news, we have PMI numbers coming from the UK. Composite PMI was 49, expected to be about 50.7. Services PMI 47.6, expected to be 49.9. But right now, I would say I would even ignore all these news. I would ignore all these news because the UK has just gone into, I think, a third massive lockdown. We're losing track of it already. So the third massive lockdown, and this is not even a tier lockdown. This is a across the board lockdown. So as much as we might see some sort of recovery in terms of the composite PMI and the services PMI at this point, this is for December's number. With this lockdown, we might actually see that turn back downwards again for services, again for composite, again for the manufacturing PMI as we come into it later. So because of that, we might actually see some weakness coming into the pound dollar. Okay, so as you can see here, sterling in for bumpy ride as lockdowns spoil the post-Brexit party. We're still seeing the US dollar weakness coming around. However, with this lockdown in the UK, we are looking at not as much upside towards the pound dollar. So looking at the charts here, this is the chart, pound dollar chart on the H4 time frame. Zooming it in a little bit for you, you can see that yesterday or past couple of days, there was a big drop as they realized, they're going to start implementing that lockdown period for the UK. That big drop downwards, which also led to, you can see that so-called topping off that cap as it hit that 1.3727 level, and then it starts coming back down. I see now at this point, not a lot of upside for the UK, for the pound, okay? Not a lot of upside. Any further upside would be first capped at 1.3727. So, you have that 100 pip move upwards, potential 100 pip move upwards, but also 150, 140 pip possible towards that support of 1.3454. So it is right in the middle right now. I would actually suggest more towards waiting it out, letting it move either towards that resistance and look for that sell down, or for it to come down towards that 134.54 level, and see whether it will break that support to sell down. At this point in the midway, not super attractive to jump into any trades. If you are looking at it and you are managing it, you might be tempted to jump into this trade upwards. However, we're going to see a lot more volatility within this period. Okay, so something to be very careful of. My best suggestion is let it react to that 137.27 level or break below the 134.54 level for any trade opportunities. As we look at the pound, why I say that, be a bit more patient to the pound, we are actually looking at more possible trade ideas across other currency pairs. Doing a quick recap, Aussie dollar, as we spoke about it on Monday, said that it was going to sit across a little bit, looks like it's going to break, and I said it was going to break 77.30 for possible upside. Right now it has broken, came back down, tested 77.30, possibly going to continue the upward move. So this might actually be more attractive than the pound dollar. The New Zealand US dollar has done exactly as we expected, set across, or dropped down a little bit more than we expected, but pretty much set across, going up to test the 72.81 level. Okay, so it looks like it's still going to go up and test that 72.81 level as we spoke about it on Monday. Euro US still sitting above 122.61, still looking for that push upwards, but I think we were saying that we're only looking to buy if it goes above 123. So let it close above 123 before looking for any further upside. So you can see just that quick recap. There's a lot more of other trade ideas which are probably going to be a little bit more attractive than jumping into the pound dollar, which is going to be a little bit more volatile in its current region. With that said, looking at the euro pound, I was looking at it breaking above 90.60 for further upside. If we do see that pound drop, to that 1.3454 level, then we could actually see that move continue above up to 9060 and above 9060. So this is still quite valid sit there, wait for it to happen, especially if that pound dollar is going to come down because of the possible, or because of that uncertainty, because of that possible economic downturn from the lockdowns in the UK. Okay, so as we were saying, do make sure to Traders Club members, remember, tonight we are doing a live trading session for Traders Club members. Make sure you have your trading account ready, funded live and ready to go. We will be trading it together, making money together. That's what we'll be doing every Wednesday night from now onwards. So with that said, I will pass it back to Daniel while I go figure out how to get the sound sounding nicer and better. Daniel, take it away.
Sorry, I just found it.
Wait. So I had a technical issue. Daniel had a technical issue as well. He just forgot to press mute. Mine is just, the high-tech setup. I'll show you all the gadgets that I have, but Daniel just didn't press the unmute button. So just to let you know, high-tech problems we have here.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you for putting on the poll. Really very nice. Everybody says perfect. That's great. Good thing to Jin. So and also, by the way, for those who are new here, a recording of this video will be uploaded tomorrow. It's Thursday. We'll be talking about the yen and gold. So same time tomorrow. Remember to join us. Thank you for joining these sessions today. Bye bye.